Burying the bottom left thing is. He's in that house. My buddy just killed somebody on the backside. Into me. Oh God! Sure you can go and shoot him in the head before he fucking. Good shit. Well, he's unconscious. He's unconscious. You didn't kill him, but he's unconscious. So, look, somebody just rushed you. Oh, Vulcan! Vulcan! Dude, that was clean. Did you get him? Building. Nope. Vulcan! Oh, Vulcan! Dude, Vulcan just hit another nasty triple kill with that RPG. What the fuck? Dude! An enemy open. Oh, fuck. Yep, that dude in there just killed me. No, he's still in there. He's still in it. He said. Oh. Oh, Vulcan! Triple kill.